अस्सलामुअलैकुम अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Welcome back to Urdu Master. This is lesson 6 part 1.2. First, let me clear one thing. There are no such thing like category 1 and category 2, but we have divided it to understand it more easily and in a better way. Letters of category 1 stay separate while they are placed in start of any word. And category 2 is that which always combine with all letters. For more info, watch our previous video, link is given in description. Now back to the lesson. Seen. Seen is a letter of category 2. Sikandar, Dastak, Kismat, Guess. Sheen. Sheen is also a letter of category 2. Shama, Shajar, Beshtar, Shabash. Swad. Swad also belongs to category 2. Sabar, Asal, Zwad. Zwad is also from category 2. Zaif, Wazir, Baz Auqat, Toy. Toy also belong to category 2. Tabib, Mutabik, Rabita, Zoe. Zoe also belongs to category 2. Examples: Zalim, Nazariya, Nizam. Ain. Ain also belongs to category 2, but when you see its natural form, it is different, and in a made-of letter, it is quite different, but it is still simple to understand it. Alam, Alim, Ta'lim, Jamia, Gain. Gain also belongs to category 2 and it is similar to Ain. Garib, Magrur, Balig. Fe. Fe also belongs to category 2. Fard, Safar, Mukhaffif. Rules for remaining alphabets are same, so you can understand them by yourself. Now next lesson is about counting numbers in Urdu, like 1, 2, 3, or another way to count: first, second, third. So wait for our next lesson and subscribe to our channel. Post your comments, show your support, share our videos and press the like button.